There was once a farmer who had 3 sons. The brothers were always quarreling and fighting with each other. No matter what their father said, they would not stop their constant bickering. One day, the old farmer decided to teach his sons an important lesson. He called all 3 of them together and asked them to bring him some sticks from the nearby forest. When the sons returned with the sticks, the farmer tied them together in a bundle. He then asked each son to try and break the bundle of sticks. The first son tried with all his might, but he could not break it. The second son also tried, but failed. The third son put in all his strength, but he too could not break the bundle. Then the farmer untied the bundle and gave each son a single stick. "Now try to break these," he said. This time, each son easily snapped his stick in half. The farmer smiled and said, "My sons, do you understand? When you stand together united, like these sticks in a bundle, no one can break you or defeat you. But when you are divided and fight among yourselves, you become weak, just like these individual sticks that broke so easily." The 3 sons finally understood their father's wisdom. From that day forward, they stopped fighting and remained united, supporting each other through all of life's challenges. The moral of the story: unity is strength. Together we stand, divided we fall. Subscribe to our channel for get more videos.